Hello, game changers. It's Julie Gala, one of your senior directors of clinical success and fellow SLPs. I am so excited to introduce you to our first session of Speech Reach, where we are working together to help SLPs reach their goals with their residents. Today, I wanted to highlight language skills that you can work on developing through the use of Grocery Grab. So I'm going to go ahead and hop into the platform, show you where you can find Grocery Grab, and also how you can make those adjustments for that just right fit. So when I click on the game, again, since I am targeting language skills more than cognition, I'm going to skip a controller and use my mouse to play. I'm going to go right into the settings to, again, make it more of a language focused task by increasing, let's see, we'll make the dwellist medium. The difficulty is going to be advanced. The number of items on my list will be 5. And then I'm going to make the grocery list image turn off so that when I get my grocery list, you see we've now turned it to a word to picture matching as well as categorization skill. That is my tip and trick of the day for Speech Reach. Thank you everyone for joining. And if you have any other questions and any other suggestions for Speech Reach, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, bye.